Is your GMC Acadia failing to fire up, leaving you stranded in the driveway? Statistics show that 70% of no-start issues on this platform originate from simple battery or cable failures. Let us walk through the diagnostic process to identify your specific culprit. Start by checking your battery terminals, scanning for error codes, and listening for clicks when you turn the key. The most common suspects are corroded battery cables, a faulty starter relay, or a failing alternator. If the battery is fine, look into the ignition switch, the security system, or the neutral safety switch. Cleaning terminals is a great DIY step, but complex ECU issues belong in a professional shop. Here is the average cost breakdown for these components, including parts and standard labor rates. Advanced diagnostics like load testing and voltage drop checks will confirm if a component has truly failed. Always keep a quality multimeter and an OBD-I scanner in your toolkit for these situations. Remember that safety comes first, so never force a repair you are not fully comfortable with. If you're still stuck, consult your service manual or a professional mechanic to avoid further damage.